Okay, so to make this fine Oreo crumble, we're going to start with the food processor by adding in a whole roll of Oreos. This was a whole roll that fitted in my food processor, but of course if yours is bigger or smaller, just put in the amount that will fit. I'm added in 2 tablespoons of butter. Along with the butter, I will be adding in this powdered pudding. This is cookies and cream Oreo pudding that I'm adding in. I'm adding in a half pack. And I'm going to go ahead and just mush everything down so that I can fit my top on. And just go ahead and put it on chop and let it go. Okay, so stopping midway, I'm just going to go ahead and move everything around. I'm going to add another half a tablespoon of butter, only because it felt really dry and I do need everything to kind of come together. As I did stop it again just to check it and just to move it around with this spoon, making sure nothing is stuck at the bottom or there's no clumps. And of course, this is coming out really fine because that's what I want. I want it to be able to use it like as a sprinkle type of crumb. But of course, if you want it bigger, I did do another video showing how I make the strawberry crumble, and I made that one absolutely bigger. But if you want it bigger, don't press and hold it on chop with your food processor. Just kind of just like press, let go, press, let go, press, let go, so that you can get it at the size that you want. I'm just going to add all of this to a bowl and chop it down. If there's any bigger cookies left, I will go ahead and just take those out and just leave them for my kids to eat. And yeah, this is just one way that I make my crumble. I will be posting other videos on how I make crumble. And that is the strawberry crumble I was talking about. Okay, everyone, thanks for watching. And again, if you're new here, go ahead and subscribe. Like this video, turn on your post notifications, share it with a friend. See you next time.